Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the ghost touches problem on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just clean the screen of your iPhone. To do that, just use a soft cloth and clean the screen of your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now for the second tip, now sometimes this problem is caused because of the screen protector which you have applied on your iPhone. Just remove the screen protector and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, now for the third tip, just open the settings app, then go to general. From here, tap on software update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just tap on update now and update the software of your iPhone. Now, once you update the software of your iPhone, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, just open the settings app, then go to general. From here, just go to the bottom of the screen and you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it and from here just select reset. Now once you tap on reset, a small menu will appear on the screen. Now in this menu just select reset all settings. Now just confirm this action with your Face ID, then enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on reset all settings. Now just select reset all settings. Now once you do that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone, it will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the screen of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the ghost touches problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.